Hey everyone! Today we are talking about how to delete an character AI bot, whether it's one you have created or just want to stop interacting with. Alright, let's go. First things first, let's go to the Character AI app and make sure that you have already logged into your account. Unfortunately, Character AI doesn't have a direct delete button for removing a bot permanently, but you can still remove or hide it, and here's how. The first way is if you had made a bot yourself. You can't delete it, but you can. That means you can make it private. So I do have made a character. Let's go to my profile. For that, tap on your profile icon in top right corner. It's over here. Tap on it and this took me to my account. Here I made a character called Haku Master. It's public now. So you can simply switch it to the private. Let's tap on setting button next to it. And this will take you to edit character section. Now on the visibility, switch it up to private. Then tap on save. Now, no one else can see or use it. Another thing that you can do to your own bot is edit the character description and personality fields to the blank or random text. This reaches their responses. And the third thing that you can do is you can stop using it and remove it from the public view. It will be essentially be deleted first everyone except you. And if you want to remove a bot from your chat history, simply follow these steps. For that, go to the chat section. Let's go back and this is the chat section. Tap on the bot that you want to delete. For example, I want to delete the bot called City Mafia Dad. Tap on this. Then it will open up you the three options. There's view character, share character and hide character. Simply tap on hide character. Then it will be hidden from your chat list. So this removes the chat from your history, but you can still search the bot again if you want to chat later. And that was the several ideas that you can use in order to delete character AI chatbot. To sum up, you can't fully delete a character AI, but you can still hide, erase, or stop interacting with it to remove it from your experience. Do you think character AI should add a real delete button? Let me know in the comments. If this video made your day a little bit easier, don't forget to like and subscribe for more amazing tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.